kasi. First time. Una ako nung... Guys, it's currently 6:05 AM. Tulog pa ang mga tao. Medyo maaga tayo ngayon kasi susunduin tayo ni Clock ng 6 o'clock ng umaga. Gawa ng tour natin. So, ayun. Hey guys, so ang aga pa. It's currently 6:10 AM and susunduin tayo nung 6:30. So, ayun, malaman. Bibili lang tayo ng breakfast. Malapit dito kasi nagugutom na rin ako. Okay. And guys, so, ang late ng sunrise dito. Medyo madilim pa or baka kasi puro building. Medyo malamig ang umaga dito Medyo malamig yung morning. Tayo babagsak sa breakfast na to. Banh mi. Ang dami pala dito. Pho. Guys, first banh mi. Hindi pa ako nakakain guys, sinatawagan na ako nung tour guide. So first banh mi for this trip. Yeah. Can I sit here? Yes, thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Same. Cảm ơn.
Yes, cảm ơn. She think good Vietnamese. Cảm ơn or cảm ơn. If you find hard to remember, you can say like come on, baby. Yeah, it's not like come on, baby.
Over 40 years ago, the Vatican constituent from the war still remained when these people are continuing to try to work for a better future. And now see the local man here. He's gonna show you around.
We brought a lot around it. We took up my hand, but really detailed.
Hey guys, so we are currently here at Kuche Tunnel. So, yeah. Touchdown Kuche Tunnel. Ayan guys. Actually, medyo malamig yung hangin ngayon. Hindi ganun kainit, please. Dito tayo ngayon sa Kuche Tunnel. Kasi ito pala yung nilakaran ni JM. Actually guys, medyo maganda yung weather ngayon. Hindi ganun kainit. Huwag pala pupunta kayo dito mga ganitong season. The weather today is good.
Yeah, it's very nice, not too much hot. Okay, my route this morning. So we start from here, Saigon, and we took about 65 kilometers. Now we are here in the Binh Dinh Tunnel. Lighting areas here, the Cu Chi district with over 43,000 hectares. meter deep, used for cooking and drinking. And the second level, 6 meter deep. The last one, 8 to 12 meter deep. My group, you can stand close to me, please, this way. Yeah. So you can see about the last level here, first small and narrow. So at that time, American, they make that comment with their body with a bamboo on the top, bomb shell recycled. You see with the bamboo basket. See the secret entrance of the tunnel. You can see where is the entrance, right? Because that's called secret entrance, hidden entrance. So when we engaged by the enemy, so the VC Vietcong, the VC soldier go inside the tunnel like this way. You can come closer to me to take a look. So the entrance of the tunnel. Okay, right here. And you can see down here, so where the secret entrance of the tunnel. So when we in chase, the first one, the VC soldier put their gun AK-47 down here first, and then come down with the whole body inside the tunnel. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Is your phone here?
So yun guys, nag-try kami pumasok doon sa tunnel. And mukha lang madali lumabas pero ang hirap.
So one of the trap underground. And so for the booby trap is 2 meter wide, 2 meter deep for the enemy. So this one looks like the coffin for them. And so on the top of the booby trap is where flat to look like the entrance over there. Yeah, with no fans and no plastic plaster this way. But when any GI soldier falling down in this booby trap, this entrance spin around in the circle. And next one, we see the air ventilation, air hole with tunnel. It looks like a turbine mount, right? Because we base on one way from here can go past underneath American bases 10 kilometers away, and from here can go to Saigon River on the right side. The landmine went off and destroyed on the bottom of the tank. There are 5 people control the tank inside here, and so you can see on the body of the tank with the bullet hole. So the AK-47 in the middle of the truck. And when the enemy GI soldier so falling down, so 4 sticks they coming out at the same time stuck to the ledge. And the way to remove the truck is when the hole to be bigger and carry whole injury person out. It's like when the enemy GI soldier falling down in the middle. At that time, was used by America. If you want to shoot against her, you can take the question of the police. Wait, you learn when you go there.
Guys, try natin mag-shoot dito. Guys, sobrang Once in a lifetime experience. Yeah. Yay! Guys, sobrang nakakatawa na experience ko magbaril dito. Though naka-experience naman ako before.
Later.
See you.
Bye.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Be careful.
Sobrang sikip, guys. It's so narrow.
सही पल्लवी आगे
My knees are shaking.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, vlogging.
How you feel?
It's not good for the knees.
That's why like I mentioned.
Sabi guys, nakalabas na kami ng tunnel. And magpupunta kayo doon. Sobrang nakakapagod sa tuhod. Siguro paglabas nyo, manginginig na yung tuhod nyo. Pero ano, sulit. Sulit na experience.
Hospital Ontario. And so for Army Medical that time, so enjoy your drink and with the tapioca cassava.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now you can dip into the sugar and
Vậy mà nghe ông nói là nước.
1, 2, 3.
Clip
Biết nghe là đẹp. Biết nghe là đẹp, nghe tính là nước.
What is it?
Thì đợi đây nè.
How about you?
I hate to send it every tour, don't worry. Yeah. So this is the pendant tape. You can see the ring leaf here. You see the pendant leaf and then make the tape for a drink. Yeah.
Yay! Done with the coaching tunnel. So ngayon, papunta na kami ngayon sa Mekong River. So mga sabi ng guide, 2 hours daw papunta doon. 100 kilometers, so medyo matagal na. Yeah! Saya guys. So makikita niyo pala sa video, no? Nag-try tayo mag-shoot kanina. Yan pala ay minimum 10 bullets. Sabi ko ako pwede 10 bullets, tas paghahati yung dalawa. Hindi daw, kasi mabilis nga lang naman. So ano yun, 600,000 dong. So around 2,800 pesos. So mga ganun, no? Okay naman sa ano, once in a lifetime experience. So ngayon, yan, palabas na tayo ng Kuchei Tunnel. Maganda pala, sobrang aga dito. Yun pala guys, sa mga magdi-DIY pagpapuntang Kuchei Tunnel, it's better if you go early kasi hindi pa ganun kainit. And ngayon, ang dami pang parating. And feeling ko medyo mainit na. So ayan o, dami. Maganda yung punta namin kanina kasi medyo malamig pa yung weather and hindi pa ganun Kainit. Araw. 303. Maybe this one. He's the driver. Hey guys, we just arrived here at Mekong River. So, sasakay tayo ng river ngayon. Ang init guys, sobrang init dito. So, we're gonna ride the boat now. Guys, init. We are now here at Coconut Factory. Also, madaming coconut dito guys. Sabi ng guide, this is by far the best coconut in Vietnam. Sabi pala nung guide guys, yung daw mga coconut trees dito. Kaya daw matamis. Kasi ang ginagamit nilang pandilig is yung tubig from a river. So, ayun, ang daming tubig yun, guys.
Choose with the old coconut. The older one, the stronger, the better taste for the milk. And so for this one, the coconut, they remove the shell. So the shell then they recycle to make the fertilizer for the plantation and the garden. Okay, you can see how to remove the coconut shell there. You can see on my hand now, you see the mold, M-A-L-T, mold from sticky rice, from Lunas rice. They use 70% of the coconut milk and 30% of the mold to make the flavor for the candies here. And this candy, no sugar. And then we move in the So now you can probably try the candies here. So it's still warm and fresh inside. So this is coconut milk and the mold and the peanut. Very ingredient for this candy, no sugar. And then the shepherd candy in the straight line. Shepherd candy in the straight line. And they use the normal cutting candy into the pieces. This one elephant ear fresh deep fried with the cooking oil, so crispy and crunchy. And we make the fresh spring roll for you. You can dip into the tamarind sauce, fried sticky rice, fried egg. So the spring, so the pancake, the Vietnamese pancake.
Is this
with
fish sauce?
Yeah, fish sauce. Fish. So the pancake. Yeah. So this one, the mushroom soup with the wind chime and carrot, and fried rice, fried chicken. So pork with the string roll. Yeah, stuff fried more. Okay. And now enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Oh.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around. Okay.
Ah, look at that.
Yay! Nagbabike ako, guys. Medyo hindi ako sanay sa bike na to. Ba't ganun? Medyo kakaiba tong bike na to. Yay! Guys, nawala na yung groupmate ko. Iniwan na ako. Nasaan kaya sila? Nawala na yung groupmate ko. Oh. Grabe guys, nag-bike kami. Ang tagal din na, siguro mga record 1.95 kilometers yung na-bike. Ayan o. Hey guys! So we're back at the hotel. Lobat na yung aking GoPro. So ano ba nangyari today? Nag-avail ako ng tour sa Kluk, ng Kochi Tunnel and Mekong River. Siguro nasa around, 3,000 pesos. Double check ko guys. Pero nasa 3,000 plus siya. So, guys, recommended yung tour na yun guys. Sobrang sulit. Masaya. And yung food, may kasama na siyang food actually. Tapos ang daming dessert, mga kung ano-ano. Bale, una, sinundo. Halos siya 12 hours na tour. Sinundo kasi ako before 6:30 dito sa hotel. Siya, hatid sundo guys, kung nasa District 1 kayo. Sinundo ako 6:30, then hinatid ako sa hotel around before 7 kasi medyo traffic kaya na-delay ng konti. So, una, Kochi Tunnel. Guys, sobrang saya nun. As in, kakaibang experience. Then, after Kochi Tunnel, Kochi Tunnel. After nun, ano nga ba nangyari? Wait, nakalimutan ko guys. After nun, teka, check yung picture. Mali pala guys, bago pala mag-Kochi Tunnel, may pinuntahan pang mga handicrafts na kung mahilig kayo sa mga painting, bali ang gumagawa nun, yung mga natamaan nung may in-spray na something parang nagkaroon ng disability yung mga locals dito, yung ibang locals dahil dun sa war na nangyari. So, sila yung gumagawa ng painting. So, kung mahilig kayo sa painting, okay yun guys. Ang gaganda nung ako lang personally hindi ako mahilig. Pero, siya, gawa ng mga may disability na naapektuhan nung war. And yeah, kada bili nyo, matutulungan nyo din daw yung mga locals. So after nun, tsaka kami Kochi Tunnel. So ayun, in-explain ng guide yung history. Tapos nag-try kami pumasok doon sa maliit na butas, guys. Nakakahiya. Hindi ako makaangat. As in, hindi ko mabuhat yung sarili ko. Hinila pa ako. Mapapakita ko doon sa video. So, after nun, pinasukan din namin yung tunnel. May pinasukan pa kaming tunnel, guys Tapos, pakita ko na lang sa video. Then, after pala ng Kochi Tunnel, nag-try kami mag-shoot doon sa kanila. May silang shooting range Sobrang saya nun guys, as in kakaibang experience. Medyo mahal lang though. Siguro kasi nasa 600,000. So around 10 bullets eh. So 600,000 yung binayaran ko. Kwentahin nyo na lang. Parang kinuwenta ko kanina. 10 bullets, 600. Nasa 2,000 plus peso ata. Teka. Basta around ganon. Kwentahin nyo na lang guys kung magkano. Basta 600,000 dong. Tapos after noon, as in guys, pag nagpunta kayo dun sa Kuchay Tunnel, yes, mahal, pero once in a lifetime experience. Tapos after noon, nag-travel na kami. Nag-ano pala, konting snack. Kasama na sa binayaran guys na package. Konting snack, tapioca. Well guys, kamote lang sa atin yon. Tapioca ang tawag nila dito. Nung una, tataka ko, anong tapioca? Di ba ang tapioca sa atin, ano? Yung hinahalo sa milk tea. Ano lang siya guys, kasaba. Na merienda, tapos i-dip po sa parang asin na may peanut, na may chili, ganon. Masarap, masarap. Then after na nag-travel na kami, papunta sa Mekong River. Approximately mga 2 hours. Medyo nakatulog nga ako nun eh. Parang humihilik nga ako guys nun eh. Then after nun, dumating na kami sa Mekong River. Siyempre, first budol. Bumili ako ng coconut candy. Natikman ko kasi guys yung coffee. Masarap. So bumili ako 2. Siguro pasalubong na rin sa iba. Sarap siya actually. Nagustuhan ko. Coffee flavor. Then after coconut, pakita kung paano gumawa ng candy, coconut factory. Then after that, nag-lunch na kami guys. Yung lunch namin guys, sobrang legit Vietnam experience. Masarap guys, actually sa kinain ko so far, nagustuhan ko siya. Ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan masyado ay yung, ang tawag nila king elephant fish, pero parang tilapia lang sa atin guys. Medyo nalansahan lang ako, kaya hindi ko siya masyado type. Pero yung spring roll guys, masarap. Then after namin kumain, nag-start na kami nung river tour. Yun naman kakami. Sumakay kami sa boat. Tapos, yun. Kaso guys, ba't nakita ko doon sa video ni JM, may palibreng hat. Sabi ko pa naman, nagpapabili sa akin ng ganang sombrero sa bahay. Sabi ko, may libre naman. Yun na lang. Pero walang libre. So, di bale na. Kasi mapatatambak lang din yan sa bahay. Then after namin mamangka, may pinuntahan kami parang isang lugar na may paprutas. Si tour, no? May paprutas, may dragon fruit, pinya, pakwan, jackfruit. Meron isa, hindi ko alam eh. Tapos yun yung area na may prutas. Tapos may mga kumakanta ng mga locals. Then after nun, pumunta kami ng bee farm. Naglakad ng konti, papuntang bee farm. Tapos, yun, may nabudol na naman sa atin. Nasaan yun? Guys, basta pang health or pang paganda, game tayo. Eto guys, nabudol tayo. Ang tawag dito, ano daw siya eh, may bee propolis, lovely. Good for the liver. And, yes, improve brain function. Brain function. Kailangan ko to ngayon guys, brain function. Kasi lately talaga, sobra yung brain cells ko. Makakalimutin na. So, yeah, bumili ako ito. And good for the liver, improve brain function, neutralizing sugar level related to diabetes. So, hindi naman tayo diabetic. Pero, wala lang, healthy-healthyhan. And then, may isa pa guys, nabudol tayo. Ito, pampaganda daw. So, kailangan natin yan guys. Haggard na tayo. And pwede rin siya inumin. It boost immune system daw. So, ayan. Basta, alam ko anything na bee-related is okay for the health. And then, after nung bee, ano bang after? Ayan, sa bee farm pala. May pinainom din namin sa aming tea na may honey. Tapos, nilagyan nila ng calamansi. Ang tawag nila sa calamansi guys, orange. Tapos ang lemon nila dito, kulay green na malaki. Basta hindi yellow na katulad ng lemon sa atin. Then, ayun. Yun. Nilagyan nung ganito. Tapos nilagyan ng kalamansi. Tapos nilagyan ng tea nila. Okay naman, masarap. Tapos gusto ko sana magpakagat ulit sa bigas. So, mahirap na guys. Nasa Vietnam tayo. Baka kung anong mangyari. And then after nun, we break. Tapos river. Tama ba? Yeah. After nung B, yan, uwian na. Nag-boat lang ulit kami pabalik nung sasakyan namin ng van. So, mga ilang minutes lang naman. Then, mga 2 hours, more than 2 hours yung travel time namin. Then, hinatid na ako dito sa hotel. So, yun lang naman yung nangyari today, guys. Then, after ko pa-drop sa hotel, binaba ko lang yung gamit, nagpahinga ako konti. Then, lumabas ulit ako para mag-dinner. Kasi nagugutom na ako. So, doon ako nag-dinner ulit sa kinain ko nung kagabi. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yun. Parang pork chop. Inihaw na pork na nasa kanin. Basta nasarapan ako. Actually, guys, yung banh mi, yun yung breakfast ko kanina eh. Hindi ko siya masyadong type. Ako, personally. Lalo na may nakain ako isang malaking sili. Grabe yung sasabog na yung mukha ko kanina sa sobrang anghang. And then, after ko mag-dinner dun sa, pakita ko yung picture. Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan. Ang gulo ng pangalan. Bumili ako ng tiramisu. Dito. Wait. Pakita ko nga. Yan guys. Bumili ako ng tiramisu. Ito kasing cafe na to. Katapat lang to ng hotel. Kasi malapit lang. Tapos ilang araw ko na siyang nadadaanan. And yeah. Parang ang sarap guys. Kainin ko ito mamaya pagkaligo. Yeah. Sarap. Ang sarap. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Yung may outro na tayo. So, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on my next Vietnam vlog. Toodles!